We really feel like we live with the idea of educating without boundaries, learning without limits, and this space just embodies that. And it's a physical manifestation, I think, of our mission and vision statement.
School classrooms now have evolved. You no longer just see rows of desks. We're seeing more and more breakout spaces, areas within a classroom where students can break off into smaller groups. The living room concept was actually the first time I'd ever heard of that. This is actually a breakout space between 4 science labs.
We didn't want to just replace. It wasn't like Operation Replace. It became Operation Redo from the ground up. And how do we turn the space into a learning space that was now a future-ready learning space, a collaborative learning space, and one that took student skill sets for the future into the equation.
It's a great way for students who have to get together in a small group. They want to work individually. It just gives them a chance to step out of the classroom and have a place where they can study or read.